my channel, you guys. Today's video will be sponsored by Wignee Hair. In today's video, I will be reviewing their 13x4 black curly 14-inch lace unit. Yes, I did say 14-inch. It doesn't really look 14-inch. And I will explain that while I'm doing, you know, the install on why it doesn't look like a 14-inch. There were a couple things, a couple little alters that I had to do with this unit. Again, a 13x4, and this is at 150% density. So before we get into this video, you guys, I do want to let you guys know just some quick updates that I will be doing on my channel. I did just purchase some products from Wignee Beauty. So I did purchase the Level Up mascara, which I heard some good things about, so I will be using that and letting you guys know how that goes. And then I also did purchase the Wignee Beauty So Fresh and So Clean oil cleanser, which is really good for like makeup removing and just releasing like all those oils. Sometimes oils can give you acne, you know, stuff like that. So this is the oil that I will be, you know, testing out and everything like that. I will be reviewing the 2-in-1 water activated cleansing wipes. So these are all from the Wignee Beauty website. So I cannot wait to test out these products and let you guys know how this goes. It does come in this box right here, which is a beautiful box. So yep, I will be testing out these products and letting you guys know, you know, later on how these go, and letting you guys know if I recommend them or not. They were highly recommended, so I just want to go ahead and test it out and let you guys know how it goes, because along with me doing beauty and hair and stuff like that, I do want to incorporate this, because you always want to keep your skin underneath nice and clean, and you know, just making sure your skin is healthy. So before we jump into this video, you guys, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post you don't miss an update. So you guys, one thing that I really loved about this unit is the security of the lace. Like, the lace laid down so easily. Even though I was kind of worried whether like the lace would blend as far as like it being more so of a clear lace. But the lace laid down really good, you guys. I plucked it and everything, made sure the hairline was nicely plucked straight across. Just so I can make the hair look natural when I do the baby hairs and stuff like that. So the lace laid really good despite it being a clear lace. How nice this hairline is, you guys. Perfectly plucked, and that's something you definitely want to make sure that you do before you do anything with the unit. Make sure you use a nice hot comb to go ahead and comb back the hair, and then pluck that hairline, so that when you do your baby hairs and everything like that, it'll be just a little bit easier to pull them out. Now again, with this unit, it wasn't hard to pull out the baby hairs or anything like that. You really don't even need baby hairs with this unit, honestly, but I feel like my face is fuller, so I definitely wanted to incorporate some baby hairs. And then also, as far as this parting space, you guys, this parting space was really like flexible. Now I did do some plucking. It already kind of came slightly plucked, so if you don't want to pluck it, you don't have to, but of course I just do it to my liking. And then as far as the baby hairs, as you guys can see, I did do some plucking because I wanted it to make sure it was coming straight out of the scalp. So this hair will definitely need some plucking as far as the baby hairs go. But like I said, you don't have to add baby hairs if you don't want to. That's completely up to you. And as you guys can see, all I'm doing is just adding water to the unit. You really don't need any type of product with this hair. All you need is water, and the curls will be so defined. Like, this unit is just, it's silky mixed with a little bit of yucky, just a mixture of both. But the hair turned out really, really nice. No tangling, no shedding whatsoever. Quick and easy short hairstyle. I did slightly cut this, as you guys seen, just because it had a little bit of like split ends and longer pieces, but it came out so beautiful. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below.